If your LD player controls are not saving, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when your key mapping resets every time you open a game. The good news is this is usually a simple settings or permission issue, and we can fix it fast. First, run LDPlayer as administrator. Without proper permissions, the emulator can fail to save your control settings. Next, open the key mapping editor and make sure you actually click the save button. It sounds simple, but sometimes changes don't apply unless you manually save them. Now check if LDPlayer is installed in a protected or read-only folder. Yeah, if Windows blocks write access, your controls won't save properly. Next, clear LDPlayer cache inside Android settings. Corrupted cache files can prevent settings from being saved correctly. You should also update LDPlayer to the latest version. Older versions sometimes have bugs that reset or ignore control settings. If nothing works, uninstall LDPlayer and reinstall it again. Yeah, this fixes deeper configuration or permission issues that block saving controls. And that's it. One of these fixes should make your LDPlayer controls save properly again.